Starting around 13 January 2024, Theta organization especially is exchanging at $1.06 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.55% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner. Theta basically has a very all-out market cap of $1,055,127,384, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $32,940,810 in a significant manner. This sort of makes Theta organization, Theta, especially positioning at 65 in the digital currency market, which in every practical sense is very huge. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2024, what will Theta organization generally be worth in 2024, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Is Theta organization a wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2024 in a genuinely huge manner? Will Theta cost generally outperform its unequaled extremely high in an unobtrusive manner? These especially are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in an especially significant manner. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2024, as per the Theta organization figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Theta cost generally is supposed to explicitly cross in every practical sense, normal value level of $1.47, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to be $1.41. Which truly is genuinely critical. Besides, Theta can generally arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $1.73 in every way that really matters, huge way. Theta organization value gauge January 2024. In January 2024, the cost of Theta organization explicitly is supposed to sort of be at around at least $0.9780, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization cost can by and large arrive at a for the most part limit of $1.10, with the truly normal cost of $1.07 in United States dollars, which basically is genuinely critical. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation February 2024. The cost for Theta organization in February 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.05 and $1.14, which sort of is very critical. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $1.09, which explicitly is very critical. Theta organization value conjecture Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the really greatest cost for Theta organization could basically stretch around $1.20. Showing that starting around 13 January 2024, Theta organization is exchanging at $1.06 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.55% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. Moreover, the minimum cost of Theta in Walk 2024 for the most part is $1.09, with a kind of typical cost of $1.13, or so they sort of thought. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate April 2024. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for April 2024 may sort of arrive at a genuinely least worth of $1.13, while the especially most extreme determined cost in a real sense is around $1.25, which sort of is very huge. The sort of typical cost for Theta for the most part is explicitly anticipated to explicitly reach $1.18 in April 2024, which by and large is genuinely critical. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Theta organization cost for the most part is estimate to by and large arrive at in a real sense, the least cost of $1.16, showing how for the most part is Theta organization, a truly wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2024. The Theta cost could sort of arrive at a really greatest cost of $1.31, with the typical expected cost around $1.20, which in every practical sense is very critical. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation June 2024. The cost for Theta organization in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.19 and $1.37, showing how Theta basically has a genuinely all-out market cap of $1,055,127,384, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $32,940,810 in a fundamentally significant manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $1.23 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta value conjecture July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Theta organization basically is supposed to truly arrive at the very least value worth of $1.21 in a sort of large manner. The Theta cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $1.42, with the genuinely normal cost around $1.26, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta organization, Theta, value figure August 2024. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for August 2024, may in every practical sense arrive at an essentially least worth of $1.24, while the greatest determined cost explicitly is around $1.49, which certainly is very huge. The typical cost for Theta especially is somewhat anticipated to in a real sense reach $1.29 in August 2024. Further appearance how starting around 13 January 2024 Theta organization generally is exchanging at $1.06 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.55% in truly most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization value estimate September 2024. The very normal cost of Theta organization, Theta, could in every way that really matters go to $1.33 toward the finish of September 2024 in a significant manner. Theta could truly be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $1.55, with the truly least expected cost of $1.29, showing how Theta organization, Theta, value figure August 2024. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for August 2024 may basically arrive at a really least worth of $1.24, while the kind of most extreme determined cost essentially is around $1.49. Lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Theta organization in every practical sense is fundamentally anticipated to for the most part arrive at a sort of typical cost of $1.38, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $1.60 and a truly least of $1.33 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Theta organization cost by and large is figured to fundamentally arrive at an especially the least cost of $1.39 in an essentially significant manner. The Theta cost could by and large arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $1.66, with the in every way that really matters normal expected cost around $1.44 in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization value expectation December 2024. The cost of Theta organization by and large is truly anticipated to in every practical sense reach at an exceptionally least worth of $1.41 in December 2024. Pretty further appearance how Theta organization, Theta, value conjecture August 2024. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for August 2024 may for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $1.